the curve. Okay, this is the curve. F of x equal to this is a curve 1 plus x to minus 3. Okay, now what is p sub 0 of x, which is 1, right? So it is here. This is p sub 0. How about p sub 1? 1 minus 3x. So what is this? It is it's about this. This line, so this p sub 1 of x, this line. When you have calculator, so you can do it, okay? And this one is what's this? This is a parabola, right? A parabola. So it should be, looks like, let me see where how do I graph this function without using calculator? 1 plus 1 minus 3x. How do we graph this function without using calculator? Okay, so let me see how we do it, right? Let me remember how we do it. Oh, we complete the square of this, something like that. So I have, yeah, that's right. So I have 6. Let me write it down. Minus 3x plus. Okay, I'm doing this without using calculator because because I don't want my ability of being able to draw graph being lost with the calculator. So use 6x squared minus 1/2 x, right? So this is 6. This is x minus 1/4 squared, and then plus or minus 6 over 16. So this graph, this is this graph. This graph is that its center is 1/4. The axis of symmetry is at x equal to 1/4. So it's about here. So, and this equation, so 1/4 is 5/8, right? So about here, something like this. This is 1/4. Yeah, like this. This is a graph of P2 of x. This is the point. This point is 1/4, 1/4 here, and this height is 5/8. And this number 6 is how wide the parabola extends. How wide it extends. This is the center and the symmetry, the point, the line where the graph symmetry. This is the y coordinate when x is 1/4. So that's how we graph it. How we graph it, pick graph without using calculator. Okay, so this is p sub 0. This is p sub 1, and this is p sub 2. And f of x is, this is f of x. Okay. All right, so that's the graph. Okay. All right, let's look at next group of questions. Let me see what we have. 9.1, right? 29 to 37. 29 to 37. All right, here. This group of questions. Taylor polynomial centered A, which is not 0. Okay, no problem. it's just not so easy to compute. I mean, it's just a little bit tedious. That's all. Okay, find the nth order Taylor polynomial for the following functions and center at a given point for n equal to 0, 1, 2, and then graph. So I'm just going to do the math part for the graphing because you have graphing calculator. So I think I don't have to show you how to graph. Okay, I'm going to do the part A. So let me let me take 31 because 29 looks too simple. I'm taking 31. Okay, 31 is what's 31? 31 is f of x equals sine x. A is pi over 4. Again, they want us to find the Taylor polynomial of order 0, 1, 2. So first of all, before we write down the definition, right? Taylor polynomial. But right now, keep in mind, it's at a, but a is not 0. So that means it's Taylor polynomial summation ck x minus a to the k from, then you have the a here, okay? 0 to n. So, okay, so what is p0 of x? 0, well, it's still c0, right? And c0 we know is f of 0, so which is sine 0, which is 0. Oh, I'm sorry, f of pi over 4. Then let me write that, pi over 4. Sine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Okay, here is what's c sub k? Okay, it's equal to k factorial f differentiate k times evaluate at a. Okay, that is a. And our a here is pi over 4. Pi over 4. So there's a pi over 4 here. Pi over 4 here. Okay, sine pi over is square root of 2 over 2. Okay, then p sub 0 is a constant. P sub 1 is c sub 0 plus c sub 1 x. C sub 0 is square root 2 over 2 plus c sub 1, right? What is c sub 1? So c sub 1 is what? 1 factorial, right? F prime at a. So it's 1. F prime derivative of f is cosine, right? Pi over 4. Same thing. Square root 2 over 2, right? So p sub 1 of x would be square root 2 over 2 plus square root 2 over 2x. And so minus a. Sorry. Yes, minus a. Okay, it's minus a. So x minus pi over 4. X minus, yeah. So it's okay, this is my p sub 1. This one. This is my p sub 0, only a constant. Now how about p sub 2 is equal to c sub 0, right? Plus c1 x minus a plus c2 x minus a squared. Now I know c sub 0 is c sub 1. Now what is my c sub 2? Okay, c sub 2 will be 2 factorial f differential 2 times evaluate a. Alright, so this is equal to what? 2, right? F is sine x. Differential is 1 times cosine x. One more time is negative sine x. And then I replace x by a, right? A is pi over 4. So this is 2 minus sine pi over 4. So it's minus square root 2 over 2 minus over 4. Okay? Alright, so my p sub 2, summarize is c sub 0 square root 2 over 2. C sub 1 square root 2 over 2 x minus pi over 4. series of 2 square root 2 over 4. Okay. So those are the answers. Yes.
Is it supposed to be squared? The root of 2 divided by 2x.
This is square. I'm sorry. Wait.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. So.
I'm sorry. Wait.
Okay, you're good.
Oh, okay. All right. So this they looks alike. Let me see what else we have. We have 31, 61. What's 61 to 65? Here, right? Or arrow. 61 to 65 is arrow formula. Arrow. So what is this? So I have a function f of sine, say sine x. I want to approximate with this, and I want to find a bound on the arrow in the following approximation on the given interval. Arrow bounds are not unique. Yeah. Okay. So why don't we look at, say, look at number 61. 61. Okay. 61. So it says the following. This is very interesting. So number 5, number 6. All right. So I'm looking for number 61. It says the following. The question is this: I have a sine x. I want to approximate this kind of symbol, not equal, but kind of wave-like. This we call it. This is called approximation or approximated. So sine x is going to be approximated by x minus x cubed over 6, right? And on this interval. All right, so first of all, before I do anything, I need to, now we have an arrow formula. What is an arrow formula? Arrow formula is, now we talk about it, arrow formula is, this is the arrow formula. This arrow formula, that's the arrow formula. Okay. You can also find this on the book. That's the arrow formula. So first of all, I'm going to determine what the n is in this approximation. Okay, so n is 3, right? 3. Okay. And what is the a? A is 0. Because if a is not 0, you would have x minus a. Okay, so a is 0. All right, now, then the arrow formula, right? So R3 of x equal to what? Okay, so arrow, this is arrow. Equal to 3, right? So this will be 3 plus 1 factorial. F 3 plus 1, so it's actually 4 times. C, I don't know what C is, and it's x to the 4. Because, yeah, 3 plus 1 is 4, okay? All right, so it's 4 factorial. F differentiate 4 times C, right? X to the 4. Now, what is f differentiated 4 times? This is